fighting. Oh, look at them fight over it. One dropped it from the tree and they came down.
Where are they?
Oh, they're up in the trees now. See them?
Oh. I thought you said they were over there. Oh, there's more crackers.
There's more crackers.
They'll probably come for all those.
Oh,
in a
look out the
second.
other window. There's no...
Oh, that one's got a cracker in its mouth.
You know, and then they drop it and then they all dive bomb looking for it in the snow.
About that.
That was quick.
Yeah. Surprised I didn't eat those.
I know, they're too stupid.
Yeah.
Look at the roll from the tree up there. See them all? Whoop.
Mm.
He's got his
There's about 4 blue jays and 4 of those other ones.
that one's real blue. Here it comes.
It's got something in its mouth.
Okay, they're going to come over and get the other crackers.
That's one. Oh.
We're just going to scare him away. Oh, yeah. See? Oh, there he goes. Oh, there was another one, Mike. And the third one. Ah, you're too slow, you little chickadee. Oh, nope.
Missed it.
Here he comes. He's going to take it. He's holding on to it. Who is it?
Yeah.
Don't drop it.
That other one's looking for the old stuff. Oh!
And then they fight over it. Oh, he dropped it.
You dropping it in the ground?
Yeah. It's right there. The bird's getting it on the ground. The blackbird.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Just here.
Yeah, they're all gone.
We're watching them.
Big swarm of birds came. Of blue jays.
Yeah, Blue Jays and then birds came. Hey.
Let's just see a bunch of dead blue jays tomorrow. So was it paint?
No, it wasn't paint.
It smelled like
Smelled
paint.
like paint, didn't it?
Yeah.
I don't know what it was.
Should have brought. What store did you get them from?
I don't know, Mike.
Well, you have to put some more stuff out there if you want to take pictures. Now they know where to look.
Oh, he got it. There he is. He stole it out of the bird. And when he drops it, they're all going to swarm. Oh, no, where's he going? Oh, he's going to his own tree.
And the other one took its place.
Haven't seen the cats around. I don't see very many birds' nests. The deer were all over by the bushes on the side over there by Jimmy, because it's all hanging down so they can reach it now.
Yeah.
They're all eating them. 2 bucks. Worms and a girl. Good?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, good.